Chapter 11. Finding Clients and Projects. Where and how to find work when AI helps you. The world of freelancing is changing. Competition is growing and clients are becoming more demanding. But thanks to AI, you can get ahead of the competition by offering higher quality work in a shorter time frame. Your task is not just to find a project, but to show the client that you are not just another freelancer, but a specialist operating on a new, more efficient level. This chapter is your guide to finding clients in the age of AI. We will break down where and how to find projects, how to present yourself correctly, and how to use AI not only for doing the work, but also for attracting new projects. All the information you find here is tested and relevant to the modern market. AI as a tool for finding clients. AI helps not only with working on projects, but also with finding them. You can use neural networks to analyze the market. AI can help you find trends and popular niches on freelance platforms so you can offer the most in-demand services. Optimize your profile. With AI, you can create the perfect description of your services and portfolio that will be as attractive as possible to clients. Automate your search. Neural networks can help you create templates for cold emails and job applications, which will save you time. Where to look for projects. Freelance platforms remain one of the most popular places to find clients, but you need to know how to use them correctly. Upwork and Fiverr. These are the largest global platforms where you can find projects in almost any field. Upwork is more focused on long-term projects and working with large companies. It's important to have a well-filled-out profile and a compelling portfolio here. Fiverr is a platform for selling services in the form of gigs. You can create several gigs, for example, AI-powered 500-word article creation or generate 10 unique logos. LinkedIn. This social network is not just for finding office jobs. Many companies look for freelancers and contractors here. It's important to have a professionally designed profile where you clearly state what you offer and show your work. AI can help you create such a profile, as well as write requests for making useful connections. But finding a platform is only half the battle. To get noticed, you need to present yourself correctly. Your profile and job applications are your main marketing tool. AI will help make it as convincing as possible. 1. Profile optimization. Your profile is the first thing a potential client sees. Make it flawless. Headline and description. Use ChatGPT to create a catchy headline and a concise yet impactful description of your services. Instead of copywriter, write AI copywriting specialist for startups. Keywords. Analyze popular queries on freelance platforms and include these keywords in your description. Portfolio. Use AI-generated work to demonstrate your skills. It's important not just to show the result, but to explain how you used neural networks to achieve it. 2. Writing the perfect application. A job application is your first business proposal. It should be personal and convincing. Use AI for analysis. Copy the job description and ask ChatGPT to analyze it. The prompt could be, analyze this job description and highlight the 3 key problems the client needs to solve. Suggest 3 ideas on how I can help them using AI. Write personalized responses. Based on the analysis, generate a unique response that addresses the client's specific needs. Avoid generic phrases. Offer solutions, not services. Instead of, I will write an article for you, write, I will help you increase traffic by 30% with a series of SEO-optimized articles created with AI. 3. Cold outreach with AI. If you want to work with specific companies, use cold outreach. Research. Use AI to find contact information and details about potential clients. Personalization. Use ChatGPT to generate a unique email for each client. For example, Write a short but convincing email for the marketing director of Quattro Pro. Your goal is to offer them services for creating a content plan for their blog with AI. From a one-time job to a long-term relationship. Getting a client for one project is good, but the key to a stable and high income as a freelancer are long-term relationships. A client who returns to you again and again not only provides you with steady income, but also saves you time on finding new projects. AI can help you not only do the work, but also turn a one-time client into a long-term partner. How to become a strategic partner. First, offer comprehensive solutions. Instead of just writing one article, use AI to quickly prepare a proposal for creating an entire content plan for a month or a quarter. Show the client that you think strategically, not just perform tasks. Second, justify value, not price. Since AI significantly speeds up your work, you can offer more services for the same price. For example, if a client orders an article, offer them 5 social media posts generated by AI as a bonus. This will increase your value in their eyes and make them consider a long-term collaboration. Third, use AI to analyze the client. Before you send a business proposal, ask AI to analyze the potential client's website and social media. This will help you understand their likely problems and offer solutions that are as relevant as possible. For example, ChatGPT can analyze competitors' content and suggest ideas that will help the client stand out. Monetization: how to properly value your work. Using AI does not mean you should lower your prices. On the contrary, you should raise them as you are offering faster and higher quality work. Your value is not in how much time you spent on the work, but in the benefit you provided. How to set your price. Value the result, not the time. The client doesn't need your labor, they need the result. Text that attracts customers or an illustration that sells. If AI helped you do this work in an hour instead of a day, the client still gets the same value. Create package deals. Use AI to combine several services into one package. For example, a social media starter pack might include a 1-month content plan, 15 posts, and 5 AI-generated illustrations. Conclusion: AI is not just a tool for work, it's your business partner. It helps you not only create content, but also find clients, build relationships with them, and scale your income. By mastering these skills, you can confidently develop in the freelance market and build your own stable business. In the next chapter, we will talk in detail about how to value your work and set prices for services created with AI.